An alleged incident of assault on Khasi youth by non-locals was reported from the Laban locality on the evening of 16 February 2026. The victims, who declined to reveal their identities, lodged a formal complaint at Laban police station, accompanied by members of the Khasi Students' Union Laban Circle. Addressing the media, Jason Lalu, the president of the KSU Laban Circle, termed the incident as deeply unfortunate and expressed serious concern over its occurrence. He cautioned non-locals against engaging in such acts in the future and called upon the authorities to take necessary steps to ensure that such incidents do not recur.
Dah nakaliang Khasi Students Union Laban Circle minta ka janmiat hadian baka yo ka phone call ni ki para do personam ki jongi minta singi lawan ka ni Laban police station ban yarap ban don dekat bikini ki para do personam jongi nakaliang kini ki samla kila yo ban bu ya ka FIR persya kini ki khar muslim ki ba dei ki nong bela kilawan ban yat na ketika lenti hari Sabah badi jan jongka tendur danhil pada hadian kini kila yat ya karong we dina kaliang jong kini ki kena samla ki pardok prasnam jungi bersyok sa Laban kila ya tingku marhamat badki bad nakaliang jong kini ki samla kila pensong syaki bagi wan yak ta karong we ndre nakaliang kini ki nyongut ki khar muslim ki nong bela kila syu khiar ban penibor da ka ba takti yakine ki pardo persnam ki jongi bat kila ra ruhi de ki tiar pen mesau ki kum ki wan nani u ternam bat nakaliang jongki papli kila mensau bat hot nakaliang ka police department Laban ru ki la yalam lit ban le medical but kedon kidak mong but ki dak pom ruhi harendang di kumun siong nakaliang jongka seng ka pensngau sya kini trayeng ba kumno lani hakano kedur ki ailat ya kini ki nyungut ki khar muslim ki ba kin shong wai lani kin sa hang tai hari Sabah but ka deiru ka yeng ka jong ki muslim bakin let's say kalau koi ke bentar let's say bikin penri ya ki perdo lani ki ju ki jaj mesti ki muslim kini ki nyongot ki khar muslim ki dei ki beriu ki buana asam bat ngimtip syai kanu kodur ki wan bat klem kanu ka permission dan klem kanu ka jingpetip syakador bersong ki lapan sa ang tai bat kolong ka iki ka ba ma let's say ya ki wei pat ya ki pardok prasnam jongi ki bayat nang tai lesi yo kadon ka iki ke jingja lani yo kini ki dakhar lani kini khar muslim yo ki don ka background ka ba nimla ban ong ba yo de ki nong penyap briu lani ki la adap commit lupa ki crime syaki snong ki thau ki jongki bat nakaliang ka senghi ngi penramjur ya kani ka long yeng ba ka ai ya kini ki nyongut ki nong bela bakin sa hani hapo Laban hari Sabah wani kenturuhi ya ka dor bersnong ba ka di ban simkhia lasai no hi ba ki di ban be mardor kini ba kim dei shu ban pensa ban penchong pesa hani hapo dong than jong ka Laban pelun berkoi